Let's go.
I want another one car. The white.
Nagsundo ako kay Ronji. Say hi!
Hi! Hi!
Nagsundo kami kay Ronji sa school kasi may meeting. Ako ang mag-uuwi sa kanya.
I hold
What did you do today in your school? Huh?
playing
And then?
and spinning round like a chair playing.
Okay. And then what else?
And now it's time to
What?
eat.
Huh?
It's time to eat.
And you eat also?
My school is run out.
Your school is brown out?
Yes.
Brown out nga po mga guys. Kaya madilim yung school nila. Kahit sa shop namin, umuwi na ako,
Daddy, did you
madilim.
see?
Ha?
Did you see?
Yeah.
Oh, diba? See?
No lights on your school.
Huh?
No lights on your school.
Lolita?
It's brown out.
Because
Come. Tatawid na po
did you
kami.
see my teacher?
Yeah.
What is my teacher? Bye, Krista.
Come here.
Yay!
Let's go inside the church to see Papa God. You want to see Papa God? There, inside. Huh?
Tapos na eh.
There, oh. The other one, Papa God. You like? You like or not?
I'm sick.